Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to make an art of Durga Mata. So first I took an A4 sheet paper and I taped it at the edges so that we can easily paint it. After that we'll start doing the paint. So first we'll take a pencil and make the outline of Maa Durga. You can take the reference image from the link given below. I'll give the PNG link from where you can take the reference image. I am taking the image reference and drawing the outline. First draw the outline with pencil lightly. After that we'll use black pen to darken it. After drawing the crown of Maa Durga, we'll start drawing her hands. We'll draw 6 arms of Maa Durga. 3 left, 3 right. We can observe through this and draw. And we'll also draw the lion vehicle of Maa Durga. Will be very beautiful after drawing the lion. This is just a beginning. We'll use poster colors to make it more beautiful in the background, and you can use oil pastels instead of poster colors, or else you can use acrylic colors too. So I have drawing the lion hair. After that, we'll draw the mouth and etc. Like this, you need to draw the lion. You can observe that. Now, this is a scene where Ma Durga is killing Rakshas or the demon with her Trishul. We'll draw that later. So, after that, we'll draw the tail of the lion as you observe. It is so simple to draw this Ma Durga painting using poster colors. So, after completing that lion, you can see I have drawn the Rakshas, the demon. So I am not showing this step by step process. I'm just taking the reference and drawing it. So you can also take the reference from the link given in the description. So after that, I'll complete the hands and arms. Now here comes the main part. We need to darken it with pencil and darken it with the black pen. So you can see we'll darken this with the black pen so that we can easily paint it black with the background colors too. You'll understand that in the later portion of the video. Hence, don't leave the video, don't skip the video, watch till the end. If you skip it, you won't understand how to draw. You can see we'll darken this like this. So I have drawn lotus, arrow and bow in Ma Durga arms. And the top and the bottom one on the right and left are the arms which catch the Trishul which stab into the demon. So after that we'll darken the lion hair and the whole lion. After the complete darkening, it will look so gorgeous. So let's do it. You can observe that after completing the darkening, it is so gorgeous. Now, the main task, we'll paint it. Let's do it. I'm using here the poster colors. So I'm selecting the poster colors. First color is poster red color, and the second one is vermilion. So I'll I'll paint them in an increasing order. Means first darker and less than that, and less than that more lighter paint. Next the chrome yellow medium, And after that, I'll take the lemon yellow. You can use oil pastels in the same way, but I'll prefer mainly poster colors or acrylic colors. It looks so gorgeous. Now, first we'll take the poster red. So, we'll paint the poster red in the corners or the edges of the painting. So, it makes the darker one, it gives a darker background. You can observe, we'll paint the corner one smoothly. Then we'll take the vermilion to paste it after the red poster. So you can see we'll paint it like this. We'll make an circle around over all the painting. I had made a poster red same like that. After that we'll make the vermilion one also. You can see we'll paint it like this. The vermilion till the demon head also you can paint it or more than that. It's your wish, but it should be in a perfect circle around the corners of the painting. After that, you can see we'll paint the chrome yellow, and after then we'll use the lemon yellow to paint all over the remaining part. You can observe we'll paint all over the remaining part using a circular motion. Directly you won't do it. After somewhat drying the painting, we'll paint the Maa Durga with black. This part is the most difficult part, but you can do it with a trick. You need to first paint somewhat inside the body. After that, you need to mark some outlines in the arms and the body, the tiger hair. You can make it with black pen first outline, then you need to fill the remaining part. Using this trick, you can easily paint with the black. Finally, I have done with the black one. You can observe it is so wonderful to see. The painting has finally completed successfully. After the black, you can observe the difference from the beginning and the end. This is the final look of Maa Durga. I hope you liked it. So, if you like the painting, please comment Jai Mataji and like the video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.